object at rest. An object at rest is a force that acting on it are equal but in strength but in opposite direction. The object is not moving. As you can see, the object is not moving. This is a balanced object. If an object is being affected by balanced forces, it is called a balanced object. Kai is going to get the ball with some force. This is an object in motion. An object in motion has forces on it that are not equal in magnitude and opposite direction. The object is changing direction or speed in different ways depending on the force. This is also an unbalanced object. If an object is moving and due to unbalanced force, it is called an unbalanced object. Go!
Nick is going to kick the ball with a lot of force.
I'll go get the ball.
The object is in motion. An object that has forces action on it and that are not equal magnitude in opposite direction. The object is changing direction or speed in different ways depending on the force, and it's also an imbalanced object. If an object is moving due to an imbalanced force, it is called an unbalanced object.
I am an object at rest. An object at rest is something that is not moving, and all the forces around it are not balanced. I am an balanced object because all the forces around me are balanced and not unequal. Nick is walking. He is an object in motion. An object in motion is something that's moving. He's an unbalanced object because all the forces around him are moving and not straight in forces. Yeah. Kynda and Nick are running. They are unbalanced objects because the forces around them are moving. Patrick is also an unbalanced object because he is running and all the forces around him are moving. And Patrick, Nick, and Kynda are unbalanced objects because all the forces around them are not moving.
An object at rest is an object that has forces acting on it that are equal in strength but opposite in direction. The object is not moving. This is also a balanced object. If an object is being affected by balanced forces, it is called a balanced force.
Patrick's going to apply a little force on this chair. He has very little mass on the chair. The chair went not very far.
This is an object at rest. An object at rest is an object that is staying still and all the forces around it are completely balanced. It is a balanced object.
Patrick's going to apply a little force on this chair. He has very little mass on the chair. The chair went not very far.
Push this chair with more mass.
As you can see, the chair will not go as fast as it did before.
This is the object at rest.
Alright, stop it.
This is the object at rest. Brianna's gonna apply the unbalanced force. Now this is the object in motion.
This is the object at rest.
Brianna's going to apply a force.
Brianna's going to apply a force.
And it's going to make this object go in motion.
And it's going to make this object go in motion.
Alright, now we added mass to the object.
Now we added mass to the object.
So Brianna has to
Madison is going to apply a little force on the paper. Now she's going to apply more force onto the paper. As you can see, that one's light and that one's dark. They both look different because she applied less force and more force. Kaya is going to close her mouth. She applied not a lot of force. Patrick is chopping his teeth down. That's how you eat.
He is using not a lot. He's going very fast. He's not putting a lot of force into it. This is what you do every time when you eat. This is an object at rest. An object at rest is an object that is staying still and all the forces around it are completely balanced. It is a balanced object.
This is an object at rest. It was now an object in motion because Brianna just pushed it. The balance force has just become unbalanced because Brianna has pushed it.
This chair is going to be moved by unbalanced forces.
This went farther and faster. This is because I put more force into this. I put more force on this object.